Hi folks, this is Pratyusha from Pratvam Progs. I am here with a tutorial for my quilled decoupage jhumkas. So let's get right ahead. I would like to thank Janani from Surprises and Smiles for the cute video in which she shows how to make the bases or the domes for the jhumkas. I will give the link of that video down below in the description. Please have a look of it too. These were the first jhumkas that I made. It was while making these jhumkas that I got the idea for decoupage jhumkas, and thus I made these ones, and I'm really glad they turned out really well. Um, and enough of me blabbering so much. Let's get to the tutorial now. I'll be talking about this jhumkas in three parts. One is a quill dome, then is the decoupaging part, and the third is the waterproofing part. So, getting to the first part, that is the quilling dome. Materials required are quilling strips, slotted tool, and mini mold and fevicol. Here I take nearly 5 to 6 strips of 5 quilling strip and make a tight coil. Once I make the tight coil, I use the mini mold to shape the jhumka, and later on I put fevicol underneath the base of it and let it dry. Once it is dry, I give it a nice coating of gesso. Gesso is basically very similar to white acrylic paint, but it is only thinner. It dries hard, it also makes the surface more stiff, and thus there is a little texture also that is added to it. And I like applying it, and I've got excellent results also. Moving on to the second part, that is decoupaging the prepared jhumka surface. Here the materials required are the decoupage tissue napkins. In the market there are a lot of varieties. There are 2 plies and 3 ply napkins, and you have a wide variety of patterns and a lot of colors to choose from. For this particular jhumka, we'll be using this particular napkin, and the other materials that are required are paintbrush and decoupage gloss glue. Now select the pattern you want from the napkins and cut it out with scissors. I'll be speeding up this process of cutting here. High quality decoupage napkins are usually 3 ply napkins, which means that there will be 2 more layers of tissue that will be there with the napkin that has the design. So you need to remove these 2 tissue layers. You can use a pointed needle tool for this. If you do not remove the 2 other layers of tissue, the image will not look crisp, it will look foggy. So just be sure to remove this layer. I have already cut a few of them. Now comes the time to apply these cutouts to the jhumka dome already prepared. For this, use the decoupage gloss glue and apply it on the jhumka base using the paintbrush. Then place the cutout on the same and again apply a layer of gloss glue to seal them in place. In the same pattern, finish the whole jhumka by placing the cutouts all around it. If there is any excess of the napkin sticking out of the dome, you can cut it out using your scissors. Now comes the final part, which is waterproofing. After you've left sufficient amount of time for the gloss glue to settle down, uh, put in the eye pin into the hole of the jhumka dome and then start to apply generous layers of gloss glue and let it dry for 1 hour. This is the initial set time, but it would be great if you could let it alone for a day. Later, you can add in earring findings as desired, and your jhumka will be ready. This was one method of doing the decoupage jhumkas. I've tried out three more techniques of doing them and I've got good results. We'll share them in another tutorial. Um, I would love to hear feedback from you guys regarding how the tutorial was, or if you've tried the technique out, do send in pictures to me. I would love to see them. In case of any queries, please feel free to send in your queries at www.facebook.com/vamprat. I will make sure that I answer them. Thanks for watching.